man. Y'all see it. Y'all see it here first, man. Straight from Mini Bike World. We dropping that thing off. See what he think about it. Look at him. He ain't even got in it yet. Oh, yeah. Y'all can see it in his face. He like it. He like it, y'all. Straight from Mini Bike World, man. That's what we do, man. You feel me? What you think about it, man?
Definitely go fast. Hey, y'all need y'all Mini Bike service. Get it up the clock, extra speed. I'm a new rag, man. Got the bike, got the speakers here, got the lights, see switched up everything, port converted everything. I'm ready. Quick.
Hey, what's up?
Like I'm on the motorcycle.
Yeah, man. Come on, man. We're going to wake the city up with these things, man. Man, holla at your boy. Make sure y'all tap into that giveaway, man. We giving away 2 mini bikes, man. $10 a slot. Tune in, tap in, lock in, man. Don't sleep on this one, man. Yeah.